really a one-stop shop for student safety. You get the content filtering, you get the monitoring, you get the content aware, you get the content modification, you get the Custodio app, you get the safety hub, and it's just a great solution that can bring a lot of other things that you've already got in place down to one pane of glass. The dashboard shows me the red flags that students are generating because they're looking for adult content, they're looking at VPNs, they're looking at something having to do with suicide or self-harm. So we see those, the trending apps or the trending websites that they're going to, and the total bandwidth that Linewize is seeing going through the filter. With YouTube, it removes the side panel that shows the suggested videos. It removes the comments section from YouTube. It helps make YouTube a better tool in the classroom and limits the distractions that the students are seeing on their screens. And then the embedded Google games has always been a headache for us, where the students are going to go play whatever games are available just on a Google page. But the content modification has been able to limit that and keep students more engaged and focused on what they're supposed to be doing in the classroom. As far as content aware goes, it was turned on and working within minutes. It was very simple, very easy. It's been really good. It blurs out the majority of the things that students shouldn't be seeing. For me personally, I judge how well we're doing on how much the students are complaining that images are being blurred and they don't know why. We actually had tried using Classwize several years ago, and it was not quite up to where the teachers were happy with it. And so for a while we were using a competing product. And then in the conversation with our account manager, they were mentioning and talking about Classwize, and they said, why aren't you using Classwize? It could save you money. And we decided to revisit it, and we took our biggest detractors from the teachers and said, here's Classwize, use it, see what you think, and let us know. And they took it and they used it, and they said, let's go for it. It integrates seamlessly with the content filter. So it gives the teachers the opportunity to say, hey, this website's normally blocked, but I need it for my class. So for during the period of my class, I will unblock this website to allow my students access to it, which is something that before they'd have to research prior to the class and submit a help ticket to have us unblock the website for a particular period. But this gives them the opportunity and the ability to do that right in their classroom, which saves them a lot of headache and extra time. It's a great product. I like everything about it, and the simplicity of use. When I apply something to a policy, it's instantaneous. I don't have to wait for the policy to populate out to the Chromebooks. It's just there, and it works, and it does what it's supposed to do.